Yo, 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 happy Monday, everybody. I'm back with a recipe. It came out good, not as good as I wanted it to, but we'll get into that. Hope everybody had a great weekend. My weekend was long, but I'll bring that to you in another video. Eating something. Anyway, I come to y'all with a recipe for a breakfast burrito. Now, these wraps are not the normal wraps that I usually buy, but I went to a different Safeway and couldn't find any of the like burrito wraps, tacos wraps, or whatever. They had these off-brand. I guess I don't know if they were Safeway brand or not, but they were buy one get one free. It was 8 large ones in a pack. When I went to do my son's burrito, it was breaking up and stuff like that. His omelet was bigger though. So with mine, it came out pretty good. So basically, as you can see here, I have bacon, hash brown, and a cheese omelet. I laid the cheese omelet on the burrito wrap first. Then I put the hash brown on top and then the bacon last, and I rolled it and wrapped it the best I could. And then I sprayed a pan down with spray oil I use, and just browned them. Turned it over, browned one side, turned it over, and browned the other side. These were very thin wraps. Like I said, the ones I normally buy is a name brand, and they're a little thicker, and they hold up better. They don't break apart like this one did. And I use those square hash browns. You put them in the, I guess you could put them in the oven. I pan fried mine in some canola oil. And I used Munster cheese for my omelet. And so that's my breakfast burrito. You can add what you want to it. I have here a golden melon cut up. And then y'all know I love my mango. This mango is so sweet. I just put it in a paper bag for it to ripe for probably about a week now. At least 5-6 days to a week. And it is so sweet. So y'all know I got my Japanese soda right there, and I'm about to eat my dinner and call it a night. So let me know if y'all tried breakfast burritos, homemade breakfast burritos, and what y'all put on them. I just kept mine simple. Everybody knows how to make an omelet. I use 2 to 3 eggs, sometimes 2 eggs and 1 egg white, a splash of milk, mix it up with some pepper dashed on it, and I put my cheese on last, fold it up, and let it melt. That's how I cook my omelet. So there you have it. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all week until I catch you next time. And with that being said, peace. Give me that thumbs up.